a device made by Chakra organization to reduce pollution level emitted from IC engines. This device can be coupled to the exhaust for diesel engine and captures the particulate matter coming out of it and repurposes it to be made ink.
The major reason and the major health hazard causing pollution is the particulate matter or the PM 2.5. Then we tried to find out who are the major culprits who are producing this PM 2.5, and we found out that over 20% of this particulate emissions come from diesel gensets and just 10% from vehicular emissions. So we decided to tackle on this problem by innovating and building some technology that could reduce this pollution. So after several prototypes and over 6 to 8 months of R&D in labs, we finally came up with a device that could be coupled to the exhaust of diesel engines, and this device captures all the particulate matter that is coming through it. So after a lot of further iterations, we were even able to convert this captured particulate matters into usable form, that is raw material for ink and paint industry. So the benefit or the impact of our project, if as per our projections, is humongous. A simple device can generate over 34 liters of ink in just 1 month of diesel genset running if coupled properly. So the specialty about this ink is that each liter of ink purifies over 40 million liters of air. This is the amount of air that an average person would breathe in over 24 years.
This device not only reduces the pollution by capturing particulate matter emitted by diesel engines, but has the ability to repurpose it to be used as black ink.